Hello. We are just now going on this, and today welcome to the channel. If you don't subscribe for this, please subscribe to the channel Rich Minded Skills. And then here I'm going to show you on how to install a setup broker, and how to install a robot, a automated forex trading robot, any trading robot like which you can use it in MT4, MT5, but in this case we are going to use MT4, and also we are going to use for an example of XNS broker. For instance, if you want to do this or this, you have to have a setup for your broker. Let's say, for instance, if you can use XNS or JustMarkets, you have to have your robot like this one, and also meta editor 4 like this one. So for instance, if you have the setups on this, when you have a setup, you're going just to click the setup. For instance, this one XNS, then you have to make sure your internet is connected to your PC and you have good internet on. So if the internet is not good inside and it can't be open, so let's say this one, let us install and just go on this. Okay, let's wait and see the installation. Right, and platform, you can find rent virtual trading robot indicators. Okay, so like that, then we finished. After this finished, what is going to happen inside? Let's wait. Just telling us like that, and it comes like that. So for in this XNS, always if it's open like this, it can show you all these are the accounts. There is XNS Real 4, XNS Real 6, XNS Forever, and whatever like it, that is, But for this one, because it is a trial and show you on how to install. After you have like this one, what you have to do is just to select your account, which account are you going to use. So for this matter, I'm going to use an XNS trial 10. So we just go select the account like that. For instance, this one, I'm going to use this XNS. So anyone, you can use any you like according to you. If you're a beginner, you can use the trial. If you want to go just direct to the real, okay, you can just select the one and enter your credentials in order to start. Okay, let's use XNS trial 10, and then we are going to enter our credentials, and the server is XNS trial 10 and new demo account. Okay, so like that. So let me enter my credentials, then we go on. Okay, so after you enter the credential, then you come to finish, and it will look like that. Okay, yeah,
incoming mail,
yeah, like that. And then so you're going to check. Okay, my goodness. So we are going to check now what is going to happen. And now if you want to go and check for, if you want now to go to what we call to install a robot, what you have to do is just to come here. Yes, just come here. Yeah, there. Then after you come inside there, then after you come from there. Okay, so after that, then what you have to do is just after you enter here, you come to this file here. Yeah, this file, let me show you very well, and you have to come here. to this thing right hand file. Okay, let's say open here, you open here, you open here, then you come to something right hand data folder, open data folder, then you open it like this, then you come to somewhere called MQL4, you open this, then you come to experts, you open it like this, and then we see if you already put the robot like this, you will see them like this, Tinga robot, Tinga robot will be like that, Bushra robot like that. Then from this you have to minimize like this one, you have to minimize the file, you have to minimize the file like this. Okay, yeah, so after that, after you go inside the file like this, open data folder, and then you go to MQL4 experts, and then you will cancel the first one, and then you will remain with that folder like that. Then you will go to take your robot like this one, let's say for instance this Tinga robot. Okay, you will copy this, your robot, any robot you have, any robot, you will copy it like this one, then you will go here to this file like this one, and you will copy and paste, you will paste them it here. And because a robot is inside my installation ready, so that's why you can see here the destination already has a file named Tinga robot to be like that. Replace the file in the destination, skip all this file. So because me, I have this inside already, that's why it just can show me like this. But if you don't have, or and you are not install anything, it just will be pasted inside. So I'm going to ignore this, so it will be pasted like this, and like say, as you can see, there is a robot inside here. And then from there, what you have to do is to refresh your PC. You're going to refresh your PC like this. Okay, then you will open now your installed Xness setup, where you already put your account inside you and login. Then I'm going to open this. When you already install it like that, and then you will see your robot like this one. You see your robot like this one, or if you can see your robot like this one again. Okay, these are all the robots. Okay, and then I will go to the next video. I will show you on how to put the codes and whatever, sir. Okay, so stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, then everything is be shown here. And if you have any question, just no worry, just ask, and go just to the description and ask any question. Come inbox in my WhatsApp number, and if you don't have a robot, you will get your robot at a cheap price, and all things on how to trade on this. So after that, the second step we are going after that is, let's say, let me move this pair. Okay, let me move this pair like this one. Okay, let me remove this pair. Yeah, so let's say like this one. Then when you want to, let's say for instance you want to trade now, and you have to drag a pair. Let's say I want to drag a certain pair, like let's say I want to drag in pair. I like to drag GBP. I prefer this one. Then I will maximize it to be seen like this one. And then I want to put my robot inside this. What I have to do is just to go and touch the robot and drag it. My robot is this one now, see me here, expert advisor. Okay, my robot is this one. Then I want to drag it. I want to drag it in the pair. I will just double click this. After it will be shown like this one. About is being going to be like this one, and the okay. Now after doing something like that, then you will just click OK, and then you will see your robot here just waiting to tick. Just waiting to tick. Okay, and you have to make sure your network is okay, something like that. And don't think about this line, because I will teach you about this line, because I was just trying this demo account for someone, a certain client, so the order was open. So this is the line for the order, opened order. Okay, so let's wait for to tick. So it can't tick on and right here waking, because today is Saturday. And it can't trade, because it can't show the streaking of the trade, because today is not the trading days. But what I want just to show you is how to install the robot, and to install a setup like that one, and how to put a pair like this one. Okay, like that one. Yeah, then after that you can see everything right in here. So for the next video I just will show you on how it will just show you ticking, and we just press the robot and show how the robot plays the order, something like that. Then you're so welcome, and anytime if you have any question, go to the description or leave your comment there. Come to your WhatsApp number, there's a link there to join our community, WhatsApp community group. So you're so welcome. If you have any question and anything, you'll be guided, and no one is just you're welcome anytime. Okay, so everything is that one, and next time I will show you everything on how to use some details on this. Then everything will be okay, and we will do something big and more about this. So you're so welcome, and welcome again, and welcome again. Check inside the description, leave your comment, and then we will just make a decision on chat on this and everything. Okay, thank you and welcome. Subscribe, make sure, and welcome all the time.